Hey friends, if you wish to download and install the Realtek audio console on your Windows PC, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So search for Realtek audio console in the browser search bar and then go to the Realtek website to download it. It's a pretty heavy software. So here's what you have to do. Click on the download button to the latest version next to latest version. Accept the file and download it. And then enter the captcha and then click on submit. Okay, it's invalid. I'll try it again. And then you can save this file and then later restore it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.